All right, guys, so here is just a physique update. I was about 4 weeks out of my show. First show of the season was a Chicago Pro here in the 2025 season. Just some free posing in the morning, flat, fasted with natural lighting. Really get to see the physique, with no goon lighting, just the natural lighting showing all the lines and shape and everything in all its purity. I had a great season this past year. Brought a lot of improvements to stage. So I'm happy with what I'm seeing here and can't wait to make more improvements.